course in this chapter 6 is on expo questions. This particular video we are focused on possible expo questions that JAMB will ask you from chapter 6 of LEKKI Headmaster. Remember that in this channel our target is 300 and above. For you to score 300 and above, and I want you to claim it. If you claim 300 and above, claim it, type I claim it in the comment section. Beyond that, the focus is for you to make JAMB once and enter your preferred university. And to make that possible, I've been giving you videos every day. I've been making videos on LEKKI Headmaster. I've been reading it. I have made a video reading LEKKI Headmaster chapter by chapter. So if you have not gotten the book, or if you are not even understanding the book, ask me to give you the link where I reviewed the book from chapter 1. I brought one video and reviewed chapter 1. Chapter by chapter, I reviewed the book LEKKI Headmaster. So in this video, let us now begin to look at questions that they could set from chapter 6. Number 1, what was the purpose of the open day at Stardom School? What was the purpose of the open day at Stardom School? A, it was a day when teachers received their salaries. B, it was an event where teachers and parents interacted about students' progress. C, it was a day set aside for school sports activities. D, it was a writing competition for students. What is the answer? The answer is B. It was an event where teachers and parents interacted about students' progress. Before you can understand this book, this very chapter, I want you to watch the video we have done on the review and reading of chapter 6. Watching it will help you to answer the questions in this chapter 6, right? Remember to also watch the videos we have done on chapter 1, chapter 2, before and other chapters. Why were teachers expected to dress well on open day? A, it was a tradition at Stardom schools. B, the best dressed teachers received an award. C, they would have direct encounters with parents. D, there was a strict dress code policy for teachers every day. The answer is C. They would have direct encounters with parents. 3, what was unique about Gbavi? You remember the story I told you about Gbavi family when I was reading and reviewing chapter 6. So if you have forgotten, ask me to give you the link. If you need the link to all the videos we have done on LEKKI Headmaster, including reading chapter by chapter and all the expo questions we have reviewed on this book, let me know so I can share it with you. Number 3, what was unique about the Gbavi family during open day? A, they always brought complaints against teachers. B, they were known for donating beverages to the school. C, they always arrived late for meetings. D, they never attended any school event. The answer is B. They were known for donating beverages to the school. They were known for donating beverages to the school because one of the parents worked in a beverage making company. I hope you are following. Why was Mr. Fafore summoned to the MD's office? Remember the case of Mr. Fafore? Okay. He had a disagreement with the principal. He had an argument with a parent. C, a parent accused him of poor grammar in students' notes. D, he was caught giving extra lessons to students for money. The answer is C, a parent accused him of poor grammar in students' notes. Are you with me? Number 5. What mistake did Mr. Guta, the parent, believe Mr. Fafore had made? If you are read chapter 6, this wouldn't be difficult for you. Remember to ask me to give you free JAMB syllabus, free JAMB past question at the end of this video. If you watch till the end of this video, you will qualify. I will know that you are serious and I will send you those materials. If you have also not gotten LEKKI Headmaster, the novel, and you want me to send it to you, let me know and you can also get it, although it's not free. If you also want the list of JAMB approved accredited CBT centers, let me know. Number 5. What mistake did Mr. Guta, the parents, believe Mr. Fafore had made? A, he wrote Ade as well as Jide comes instead of Ade as well as Jide come. B, he failed to mark his children's assignments properly. C. He misspelled the school's name in a letter. D. He punished a student unfairly. The answer is A. Remember the title of the chapter. Very funny chapter. Chapter 6 is one of the funniest chapter, where the title is Ade as well as Jide. Come versus comes. Number 6. What was the MD's immediate reaction to Mr. Guta's complaint? What was the MD's? What is the name of the MD? Who can tell me the name of the MD? If you have been following this series, the videos we have been doing since, we have done over 35 videos on Lekki Headmaster. If you have been following those videos we have been making, you should know what the name of the MD. So go over the comment of this video and tell me the name of the MD. What was the MD's immediate reaction to Mr. Guta's complaint? A. She called for an investigation before making any decision. B. She ordered that Mr. Fafere should be fired immediately. C. She asked Mr. Guta to take the matter to the Ministry of Education. D. She suspended Mr. Fafere for 1 month. The answer is actually the MD fired him immediately without looking back. Can you imagine? Okay, are you following me? Remember that we have done several other videos. You should watch these videos because you need to be prepared. 300 and above in JAMB is not beans. JAMB is not like WAEC. It's computer based, so you need to be very prepared. And anybody promising you expo, anybody promising to increase your grade from JAMB office is a fraudster. So let us be serious with preparations. Why was Principal Bepo hesitant about firing Mr. Fefere? You know, Mr. Bepo was called into the MD's office to actually fire Mr. Fefere. Why was Principal Bepo hesitant about firing Mr. Fefere? A. He believed the teacher was innocent. B. He had a personal friendship with Mr. Fefere. C. He was afraid of facing legal consequences. D. He did not want to displease the MD. The answer is A. He believed the teacher was innocent. The teacher actually taught the correct thing. Okay? Are you following me? Are you following? Do you want me to give you the link to all the videos we've done on Lekki Headmaster? If you will need the link, just tell me to give you the link on all the videos we've done on Lekki Headmaster, and I will share them with you free. My target actually is for you to make 300 and above and enter your university. What did the teachers and principal discover after checking the grammar rule? They actually began to check the grammar rule. What did they discover? A. That Mr. Fefere was actually correct. B. That Mr. Guta's complaint was valid. C. That the sentence structure had no correct form. D. That the rule had changed over the years. Tell me the answer. The answer actually is A. That Mr. Fafere was actually correct. That Mr. Fafere was actually correct. That Mr. Fafere was actually correct. Are you following? Number 9. Remember that at the end of this video, you will qualify to get free JAMB past question and free JAMB syllabus. And also, if you want me to send you link to all the videos, we have also done videos on chemistry, physics. We've done videos on mathematics. We've done videos on economics, government, every other subject, use of English. We've done videos on other aspects of use of English. Remember that in your JAMB, you will answer 180 questions. 180 questions, and you have only 120 minutes to answer. Use of English will be 60 questions. The other 3 subjects will be writing will be 40 questions. So you will have 180 questions, and you have only 40 seconds to attempt each question. You have only 40 seconds to attempt each question. That is why you need to start reading. You need to start reading like mad. You need to start reading like mad. If you have not started reading, read. You can party, you can play after your JAMB, but this is the time for preparation. How did the MD react after realizing she was wrong? A. She immediately apologized to Mr. Fafole in public. B. She tried to justify her mistake and insisted on his dismissal. C. She was embarrassed but refused to admit she was wrong. D. She laughed it off but did not formally apologize. The answer is D. She laughed it off but refused to formally apologize to Mr. Fafore. Number 10. How did Mr. Audu humorously resolve the situation? How did Mr. Audu humorously resolve the situation? A. He announced that the MD was acquitted of the mistake. B. He suggested that all teachers make a grammar test. C. He told the MD to apologize to Mr. Fafore formally. D. He proposed that the school change its curriculum. The answer is, tell me the answer in the comment section. Remember, Mr. Audu, he was always making jokes. He was the funny, he was the comedian, he was the Sabinus of the school among the staff. He was always making jokes, right? In the next video, we'll continue with chapter number 7. What I need you to do now is go ahead, and if you want me to send you those study materials, what you need to do is like this video, then share this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel. When you subscribe, turn on the notification so that you get notified whenever we post a video. For you to get free JAMB syllabus, free JAMB past question, and to get all the material that you might need, like this video, share this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then most importantly, when you subscribe, come under this video and tell me, I have subscribed. Subscribe, then come under this video and type, I have subscribed. Once you type, I have subscribed, when I see your message, I will chat you up and send you the materials you need. There is a video I'm leaving for you on the screen. Click on it and watch now.